Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon to join our notification squad. We post impressive videos every day.
I'm a developer at heart. I moved to the dark side of program management a few years ago. But even as a developer, I know that all I really want is my hard work to be used. I lead the Project Rome initiative inside the Windows Developer Platform. Project Rome is a platform initiative that we hope will help developers drive up user engagement across all of the users' devices. Users are constantly switching between these devices throughout their day. This causes them to essentially not be as productive as they might be.
Project Rome is all about recognizing the fact that capturing users' attention is really hard, right? We all have a device in our hand at any given time throughout the day. We have devices all around us, and we have apps on all those devices. So how do we drive engagement in our apps? And that's what developers care most about. Project Rome allows developers to really engage with their users, no matter what device they're on.
By a combination of Windows Timeline and Cortana notification, users are productive as they switch between these devices and tasks, and developers see more app engagement. So say that the user was watching a movie on their PC, and now they are on their way in their bus, on their commute. We will help the users re-engage with their app by driving that notification potentially through Cortana or through other Microsoft properties. The next update of Windows is very exciting for Project Rome. There are a lot of new things coming. First, we are announcing the iOS SDK that we are releasing at Build. We are also announcing the release of our Microsoft Graph-based REST APIs. All of this is very exciting for creators because all creators want is to create, and we are helping them to stay creative, be creative.
My name is Carmen Forsman.
My name is Vikas Bhatia, and I build for Windows.
Project Rome is Microsoft's acknowledgement that most personal computing is now app-driven and transcends devices, and that switching between devices and platforms often creates a disconnect since app experiences are not inherently continued on all devices. Project Rome's goal is to drive deeper app engagement by bridging silos between devices, apps, people, and cloud services. The Fall Creators Update adds 2 new entities, devices, and activities, to the Graph API set. Microsoft's goal is to make Windows PCs a hub for all devices, with Windows Timeline and Cortana notifications. For instance, Project Rome enables experiences to continue across devices. We think of apps as programs that exist within the confines of our mobile devices. That perception is consistent with how the device, platform, and app-centric personal computing paradigm evolved. In a multi-device computing environment, Microsoft wants to change how we see apps. That redefinition begins with a shift to a user-centric perspective. Thus, app no longer necessarily means something tied to given device. Instead, it can be something that exists between your devices and is optimized for the right device at the right time. The existence and support of app data in the cloud are critical to this objective. Microsoft's rivals have developer support for AI-driven app engagement, the current app model and anything beyond. Microsoft is building the infrastructure for what will likely be computing's future. The cloud is the OS, but developer support is crucial to its success. Developer support is also needed for apps so that Windows devices maintain relevance alongside iOS and Android devices within Microsoft's cloud-based Super OS. What do you think about this concept of Microsoft? And are this segment? Make us know in the comments section below.